Okay, so vocabulary, you are going to be dragging the definition to the word that it belongs to. So you have greatest common factor, product, prime number, composite number, and prime factorization. So really the only word that you are being introduced to today is product. And we just went over that in fluency. So product, let's go over it again, is the answer to a multiplication problem. So you're going to take your arrow, you're going to click it, and you're going to drag and match it. So you have product. Okay, then you have greatest common factor, which is GCF, prime number, composite number, and prime factorization. So if we're going to greatest common factor, you have greatest. That word greatest is another word for biggest number. So that's the biggest number that will divide two or more other numbers exactly. So we're going to click and drag it to where it belongs. Yes, I am aware that it goes behind it. So if you have factors, oops, and there's a missing C, so let me add that in there. Factors. So it's a number that has two or more factors. So that's the number that we don't circle in GCF, and we continue breaking it down. So that's either prime number, composite number, or prime factorization. So this is again the number that you don't circle, which is composite number. So you'll drag it to composite. It didn't drag, so you remember you have to wait for you have that crisscross and drag it to composite number. So then you have prime number and prime factorization. Prime number is the number that you circle, and you circle it because it only has one and that number itself that goes into it. So it only has two factors, one and that number itself. And then again, prime factorization is when you break down a composite number. So again, 12. You're breaking it down to only get to prime numbers. So then you click and drag. And then that's vocabulary for today.